This Key Allegro Real Estate property video is presented by Robin Martin. Pirate Coin Laundry now available. Great investment opportunity. Exceptional turnkey laundromat now available in Rockport, Texas. Spread over 2,900 square feet. This highly profitable business showcases super clean interiors with high quality and well-maintained machines. Featuring laundry tables, carts and ample seating. The premises include a bathroom and on-site vending machines to ensure customer comfort and added convenience. In addition to the laundry facility, there is a dog wash station and plenty of parking. Situated in a safe, high-traffic, and busy location, it's perfect for consistent customer traffic. This has got to be one of the busiest facilities in Aransas County. For more information,